So I got my parcel today, my oven to start my work. So this is my oven. I'm going to be opening it now. So this is my Century oven, and it came with a tray, and a rack. So I can grill with it, and I can bake with it. So this is the power, this is the temperature. There is no light now, so when they bring the light, I will on it and show you guys how it looks like. So I'm going to be testing this. So I've seasoned this chicken, so I'm going to be testing it with this oven. So let me plug it first to see how it is. It's working. Okay, it's working. Alright, so I'm going to be putting this in the oven to grill. She's okay now. Just get it out from the oven, and so I think it is done.